Hello everyone. This is the second part of the project where I use Power BI for visualization. Well, first, I created a chart with the total number of countries in each region. In Sub-Saharan region, we have 45. The Latin American and Caribbean region, we have 23. The Middle East and North African region, we have 16. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, we have 38 countries. And then Oceania, we have 2 countries. Number of countries in East and South Asia, 19. And then we have 23 for Europe and Central Asia. And then I created this chart, this um, to show that for the visualization. And then here I just created a table, just a simple table, to show the total number of countries and the first 7 goals scored by each country. And then for the land region, I just created a simple chart, and then the number of countries and their overall score. And then I created a visualization for a single country, that's Nigeria, numbers they've scored. Yeah, for no poverty, that's goal one, we have 49.9. Zero hunger, good health, quality education, gender equality. Here I didn't use the goal one though. I I I I I just name like the goals scored. That is the sustainable development goal scored. Instead of the goal one, goal two, no, I just name the goal, which is no poverty. That's the goal they want to achieve. They want it to be that in Nigeria there will be no poverty. So this is the goal they've scored so far, 49, and then zero hunger is 61, good health continuously. And then I came here, I created a visualization too, a simple chart. That's for the that's Middle East and North American region. So I am going to briefly create something like this. It's an example. Then maybe show you how I did this. Is not difficult. So I'll just go on straight and create it. First, I will import the Excel sheet I used. This is the one I used. So I'm going to connect it. I'm going to install it. It's going to take a while for it to connect, so we'll just wait for it over. So here we have different sheets in it. So this is the one I want to use, the worksheet. So I want to use the worksheet for this visualization. Okay, we're waiting for it. So this is the sheet. Click on it. Then I'm not going to transform. Of course, if you want to transform, maybe you want to add, use the Power Query like to transform it, but I just want to create the visualization. So I'm just going to load it into the Power BI. That's the Excel sheet into the Power BI for our visualization. So it's going to take a while. So now it depends on the speed of your system, like the loading. So mine is a bit slow, so it's going to take a while for it to load. This can change. So now we have our worksheet ready. So what we're going to do now is to create a new visualization. And first, just its table that we want to create. So here, click on table. Oh, the system is still slow. Then you create a table. So what do we want to see here? First, we want to get the regions and then countries, or we get the countries, then we filter based on region. So here, I think I'll get the countries first. Put it here. It's loading. I don't know why my system is slow today. Oh, okay, we got the countries. So we're going to filter based on region. So filter on this page, right? So we don't need all the region. Let's just need the Middle East countries. This is how we want to filter. So we have the countries ready here, right? So the next thing we're going to do is to add the overall score. So here we're going to add the overall score. So we have the overall score here. I'm going to bring this one down. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the names. I'm going to use countries, right? I just want to show you how to change the names. And then instead of sum of overall score, you're just going to use overall score. Right. Then just go on their format for a visual first. We're going to remove the totals. We don't need all this. So we off it. Then we'll go to the values. I always love calibrate, so I'll use this one. CEL. I like this font. And then we're going to increase the size. It's too much, right? Let's see. Just increase one more and see. One more. Okay, too much. This is okay for me. Well, if you want to change the colors and everything, you can do that. I just want to leave it simple, but we can just kind of have a tour around and see what we can do. This one is the default. Let's go and see. Let's see this one, how it will look like. Just none. Let's see, none. Oh, let's just leave it this way, right? We can leave it this way if we want to. It's up to you. So then you want to change any, you just click on it and then come to the format visuals. So what else should we do? Let's see the column headers. Should we increase the size? Okay, should we make it bold? Let's centralize it and see how it looks like. No, let's take it to the way it is. What else? I guess we should, let's see, is there anything we can do? Should we add title? If you want to add title, let's effects. Should we change the colors? Let's try blue and see. I always love blue. But if you want to, you can change the color of the values. But I think I will just go with the white. It's okay for me. This is okay for me. I'm just trying to show you what you can do. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add visuals for this, right? Not really for this, though you can add visuals, random visuals, and then, right? New visuals. This is not what we want. I think this is what we want. So we're going to do countries, then the overall score. These countries and the overall score. We should put it at the y-axis, the countries, and then the overall score, x-axis, right? So what it does automatically is of course the filter is still applicable to this chart that we just used. So automatically just arrange them. That's from the top to the bottom. So you can sort it if you want to. You can sort, but this one is okay for me. Like it's sort according to the overall score. So let's go to the format visuals and see what we can do. For the y-axis, it's okay, right? But I think I'm going to turn off the x-axis. Okay, and I'm going to turn on the data labels so we can see them. Let's go to the general first and see what we can do. So the title, you can change the title. Overall goes scored by countries in which region is this? Middle East and North America. And Middle East, North American region. Countries. So we are okay with this. Let's see effect. Do we need to touch this? No. It's okay. Okay, so let's go back. What else? I think so let's go to the bars and see. Change the colors of the bar. We want it to be this. Let's see this. If you want to increase the size of the bars, you can do that here. You can just come from spacing, then you go up like the spacing and so on. But to me, I think it's okay. Let's see what else. I think we should centralize this, right? The title. Let's centralize it. Just centralize it and see how it's okay. It's perfect. It's perfect for me. Let's see what else. Okay, that's the title here. Yes, I always want to leave it off. So let's just leave it off. Let's see how it looks like. Let's increase the and bold it. Countries, the y-axis. Okay, values, right? Let's bold it first. Okay, not this, not this, not this, not this. It's this one. So I want to increase the. Let's reduce the size. This is perfect for me. What else? So if you want to remove this, you can just go to AI and then turn it off. But I love to leave it on. So that's all. I think it's perfect. Just a simple visualization. But if you want to add, let's say a title, you can just go from here and then let's see. Goals cost. Okay, first let me see. Goals scored by countries. Middle East. Let's see. Basic. Okay. Interest in the Middle East. North Africa region. Africa region. Let's make it white. Then let's increase the size. Centralize it. And for this one, properties. Size. Title. Effect. Change the color to blue. Perfect. Now you can increase the size if you want to. Increase this height. See. But I think it's okay for me like this. It's okay. It's okay for me, like just a simple visualization. Very simple. Shows. So thank you all for watching.